All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Kennedy Doing Things. So today we're going to be opening some Champions Path. A lot of people really like this set, as well as talking about some of the announcements that the Pokemon Company made this past week, including printing some special Pokemon cards, Pokemon Snap, and Katy Perry is now the spokesperson of Pokemon. All right, roll the intro. Let's get into it. So to go over what we got in this set, we have 4 Champions Path packs, a double V promo card, which I'll go ahead and sleeve that up. We also have another giant jumbo card. I'll put that over there. I'm going to zoom in. So one of the feedbacks that I've gotten from people is that they can't quite see the cards, especially if they're looking on mobile. So I will try and do a better job of making sure that you all can see those. So while I open this, I guess I can go ahead and talk about the first announcement. So the Pokemon Company is going to be reprinting all of code card for you all. They're going to be doing a special printing of all of the starter cards from each generation. So Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3. I'll put an example over here of what that looks like, but all of them are going to have the special 25th anniversary icon on that. Energy, Pokemon Center, Victini, Kabu, Full Heal, Roly-Coly, Machop, Sizzlipede, Pokeball, Rockruff Reverse Holo, and a Professor's Research Holo Rare. Go ahead and sleeve those up. So I have not pre-ordered any of these cards yet, but I believe you can pre-order them from a couple of different companies. And then it sounds like these cards are also going to be in cereal boxes going forward. There's no release date on when these are going to be coming out yet. I know a lot of people are going to be wanting to get their hands on them, especially just for the collectability. So code card for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think this is going to be a really exciting year for the Pokemon Company. I think just starting off with the reprint of the starters is going to be something a lot of people are going to be interested in, and it's going to get even more attention to the Pokemon Company. Energy, Turf Field Stadium, Victini, Hatchram, Ekans, Kakuna, Swablu, Nickit, Machop, Kakuna Reverse Holo, and a Hatterene Holo Rare. So let's go ahead and get into another pack. One of the other big announcements this past week is they announced the release date of Pokemon Snap. So that will finally be released on April 30th, 2021. I know a lot of people are very excited about it. I am one of those people. Code card for you all. I'm looking forward to playing the game again on the Nintendo Switch. So we have Energy, Pierce, Malamar, Sharpedo, Weedle, Kakuna, Carvana, Machop, Hatena, Reverse Holo Lipard, and a Zygarde Holo. So if you weren't aware, in Champions Path, every pack does have a holo card. So that's why so far every pack I've pulled a holo. Let me go ahead and sleeve the Kakuna up. And the Lipard. So how are you all feeling about the announcement of Pokemon Snap? Are you excited? Let me know in the comments. I'm stoked. I already kind of talked about it, but I think it just brings back a lot of nostalgia, and the original game only had the original 151, if I remember correctly. So getting a new game with a bunch of different generations of Pokemon and Pokemon Snap is going to be really exciting. I think the unlockables and the secrets and all of that of Pokemon Snap really made it a cool game. Code card. But yeah, let me know in the comments. What are your thoughts on the announcement that we're finally going to get to see what this looks like on Nintendo Switch? Energy, Pierce, Sonya, Sharpedo, Nickit, Kakuna, Swablu, Machop, Galarian Zigzagoon, Reverse Holo, Lanoon, and a Wailord for our rare. Very nice. Sleeve that up. We'll sleeve up the Lanoon. That out of the way. And let's go ahead and get in the other box. So we have a Hatterene Champion's Path box. Not my favorite Pokemon, but it has Champion's Path, and I know a lot of people want it. And I think these boxes are very affordable, especially because of scalpers and what they're charging just to get Champion's Path packs. So this set, once again, it comes with another jumbo card. So we have a Hatterene V, very nice card. We have the Hatterene card, and then it comes with 4 Champion's Path packs. There you go. Enjoy that. And although it may seem enticing to take all the promo cards, go ahead and try and share those. I want all of my followers to be able to get some whenever they watch, so don't take them all. Take 1 or 2, and then if you do, let us know what you got in the comments. So let's go ahead and open these. So we will start with the Gardevoir Champions Path. So then, one of the other announcements that the Pokemon Company made this past week is that Katy Perry, of all people, is going to be one of the new spokespeople. So, Energy, Arbok, Spede, Machoke, Machop, Roly-Poly, Carvana, Potion, Rockruff, Rotom Bike Reverse Holo, and a Obstagoon Holo. Nice. So apparently they're working with a lot of different artists, but Katy Perry is going to be the main artist going forward that is going to be one of the spokespeople. I guess later this year she's going to be releasing a song specifically about Pokemon. And then she did have a tweet this past week where she talked about when she was a kid that she actually traded Pogs when she was a kid for Pokemon cards. Code card for you all. I never had Pogs, so I can't really relate, but knowing that she at least has some interest in Pokemon cards is pretty cool. Oops, I did not sleeve up the Reverse Holo. Go ahead and do that real quick. We have Energy, Great Ball, Sonya, Rotom Bike, Scraggy, Purloin, Machop, Nickit, Trubbish, a Reverse Holo Lanoon, and a Altaria for the Holo Rare. Overall, looking forward to seeing what she can do. I actually used to be a pretty big fan of hers. I remember going to a concert of hers when I was in college. I think I was about 19 or 20 when that happened, and it was a really good time. I have not really kept up with her in the last couple of years. I know she's recently had a child, and I know she's a judge on America's Got Talent, so she's kind of been everywhere over the last couple of years, and wish her the best and hope that she does a really good job as the new spokesperson. Code card for y'all. Energy, Turffield Stadium, Slightbard, Spede, Nickit, Trubbish, Hatena, Rockruff, Potion, Ekans, and a Gardevoir VMAX. Very, very nice. Sleeve that up. Sleeve up the Ekans. Let's open the last pack. Code card, Energy, Rotom Bike, Machoke, Beedrill, Purloin, Kakuna, Trubbish, Hatena, Inkay, Reverse Holo Hop, and a Venusaur V. Very nice for our last pack. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm excited for the announcements that they made this past week. I think it's going to create a lot of hype this year. A lot of people that play Pokemon that haven't played in years, they're going to get back into it. It's just a really exciting year, and I'm looking forward to seeing what they do. So that's it. Thanks for watching another video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get a notification each and every time that I post. Upvote, comment, you got to do it all. Share it, whatever you want to do. It's much appreciated, and I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I will catch you all in another one. All right, thanks. Bye.